Internet addiction. Internet addiction is based off of the excessive use of technology among society. Now, many of us may know that technology is everywhere, including schools, work, and everyday life. Many people wake up and go to sleep using their phone, and we also tend to put our phones in close proximity to us while we're in bed. The Mental Health America stated that 88.5% of Americans are internet users. So most Americans are indeed internet users. And only 6% of those people that use the internet are addicted. Internet addiction seems to be problematic and should be considered as a mental illness. Hilary Cash, in Internet Addiction, a brief summary of research and practice, believes that internet addiction should be included in the DSM, which is the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders. The addiction would then be classified as a chronic brain disorder. Illinois Institute for Addiction Recovery compares internet addiction with pathological gambling. People who do suffer from the addiction with pathological gambling show signs of extreme irresponsibility, and they will risk anything for that addiction, which includes but does not limit relationships, school, careers, work, anything. Internet addiction is not currently featured in the DSM, so that means that internet addiction has not been legally proven to be a mental disorder. John Grohol in the Internet Addiction and Outline Addiction explains that authors are ignoring the common cause. Before taking surveys, there were problems already present in the participants. In comparison, Maria Konnikova shares similar views to John Grohol, which is that the addiction problem arises from an underlying cause. Internet addiction. Where do you stand?